Now, here's the cons. Someone still needs to input the prompts into ChatGPT, so it will not solve all your problems. The bigger problem is that you have to spend time and go in and input the revisions, you have to proof it, and along those lines, you have to fact check it. That's a huge part of that's a huge liability with ChatGPT is it doesn't cite the source where it pulled the data from. So you have to fact check it, and even if the facts are correct, do you own the rights to it? And I think that's the ultimate issue with ChatGPT. You didn't create the output, AI did. I'm willing to bet that in the near future, there's going to be some pending legislation on who actually owns AI output. What'll probably happen is you're going to have to give some sort of source. Google came out with a term a while ago called UGC, user-generated content. When you take and crowdsource content from other people, you have to put this little signal on your website that says, hey, I acknowledge that this content came as an aggregate or a crowdsourced piece of content. It's likely that Google will start enforcing that. There's some sort of AI acknowledgement that, hey, I got this content from ChatGPT or what other AI tool. I think the biggest problem with ChatGPT is what the future liabilities hold.